Gina with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect addition to the haven of your bedroom for sound sleep, then you have to check out this luxurious down comforter from SANSWAN. This has 750 fill power with Goose down, and I love that because there are no pokey ends of feathers sticking through this cotton fabric that covers the comforter. It's so soft and fluffy. I just love how it fluffs up. It just makes it such a beautiful comforter. This is a duvet insert, but I think it's just beautiful on its own. But it is nice if you want to cover it with a duvet because it has corner tabs, so you can secure it inside the duvet without worrying about it bunching up. This is the king size, which is 106 by 90 inches. This fits perfectly on this king size bed, but also I love it for our queen size bed because my husband and I fight over covers, and so it's nice to have that extra width so that both of us can be comfortable at night. This is beautifully made. You can see that the end seams are double stitched, and that's going to ensure that this is going to last for a long time. It's also certified Okotex, and I really appreciate that because it gives me some peace of mind to use it. This is an all-season duvet insert. That's really nice because it's perfect for those warmer summer nights and for those cooler winter evenings. This is an absolutely fabulous Goose down duvet insert. You're not going to be disappointed with it at all, and that's my point of view.